Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Teardown. And now we have some mods. So let's just start off in the IKEA. And let's do it with the employees. Okay, we're in IKEA. We have a hurricane. No, you're not coming near me. Oh, let's use this truck. Oh man, okay. I'll just clear the way and wait. Okay, just bring it over here. Okay, never mind, it's destroyed. Okay, oh. Get out of here. And so what should we get from? Maybe we can get this to destroy. We don't need that. Let's just do the hurricane even more. But now it's stronger. Yeah, it's a bit laggy. It's very laggy. And no, I'm not dealing with any employees. No. I mean, I guess. Oh. That's. Okay, we're not. Okay, let's just get out of the back rooms. Okay, let's just. Let's use this. That's very bright. This. Are we inside of it? Oh yeah, you were definitely. Yeah, let's stay. It's very. It's laggy. Just gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, nothing. I hope that goes away. Let's just meteor strike this place a bunch of times. I can hear it. Okay, let's just go to a different map. Let's go to the tornado. Let's go to the trailer park. Okay. So we're here. And we don't need this tornado because we already have a tornado gun. Wait, okay, never mind. Let's just get in the car. Let's just do it. We're supposed to go this way. That was totally not an accident. Okay, we rented the one with the Lamborghini. No! Don't want to crash. Okay. That's okay. At least we didn't crash into the caravan. I just want some fish. Okay, I accidentally did the hurricane again. So, I'm gonna watch and something. Okay, the internet is very bad here, so I'm just gonna get the internet gun. I'm gonna stand back a bit because the internet gun is okay. Let's do it. There we go. Let's do it a bunch of times. Oh no, I'm in the tornado. I'm in the tornado. Okay. Let this end. Yeah. I'm gonna land with the airplane. Okay. Okay, I was gonna. Okay, this is useless. Who needs a dumpster? I want to need it further. I don't like this caravan that much, so I'm just gonna yeet it away. I love yeeting stuff away. That was the hardest fling ever. Bye bye. Let's go to another map. Let's go to this. Okay, let's go to the. Okay, which one should we do? Let's do the Boeing 737. Okay. The first thing we have to do is decompose the airplane like this. So everything gets destroyed. Okay. And now we just destroyed the airplane engines. Smoking, and now we blow it up. And now we have to do that with the other side, like this. Blow it up. And now I hope we're going down. I don't know if we are. No! I'm not going in the Cessna. I want to go in the big plane, the Boeing. Oh, I'm in the bottom. No. Oh, what? Oh, no. Okay. So now let's open the other door. I don't know if we're going down. I don't think we are. And now we just do this. There it is. There we go. Why is there smoke over there? Oh, never mind. I'll not have. Yes. No. And now I think we're going. I still don't think we're going down. It's so laggy because I grabbed the plane with the physics gun. What? Was that what? Where's that smoke coming from? Just gonna grab that door. I'm gonna bring it over here and destroy the plane with it. Let's just grab this and destroy the plane with it. Let's just use the minigun. going very slow because it's laggy, so I'm just gonna clear the debris. I don't. It kind of works. I still don't. Okay, never mind. It doesn't really help that much. This is going so slow. Let's just end it off with a blowtorch. Bye bye, first wing. Bye. No, okay, I wanted to get on it, but they changed my mind. Let there be flames. Let there be flames. No, never mind, there are no flames. So that's why we used the minigun. Okay, never mind, let's do it about here. Miniguns are the strongest. I don't know really if they're the strongest. Oh my god. It's falling. Finally. Okay. I don't know how we're flying. A normal plane would definitely not be able to fly like this. Let's just pull one of these off. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Let's do it with the physics gun. This is strong. What happened? I am lagging badly. I'm gonna see if I can clear the debris. Oh my god, what happened here? I think is this the, no, this is the front of the plane. Before it wasn't this bad. At least we're not going down. There's only one way to end this. And I guess you'll find out. Okay. Okay, I'll just tell you. We're cutting the plane in half. Oh, it's so laggy. Oh, my fan is going crazy. And okay, I think I should, no, doing this. Get out of here, piece of stool. Okay, that's done. Oh, it's so laggy. Okay, now we're definitely going down, except for that part. So I'm just gonna grab it with the physics gun and yeet it down. What in the... How is it going up? What is taking this so long? Yeah, we're definitely going down. Okay, we're going down fast. Okay, I'm gonna go sit down somewhere. Get out of here, ragdolls. I'm gonna sit down. This is all gonna be okay. This is all gonna be okay. This is gonna be okay. I don't want that TV be working. I don't want it to explode. So I'm just gonna light that one with lightning. Oh, no. That was not such a good idea. I think we're safe. I don't know. I'm gonna look. Oh no, we're definitely not okay. No, we're not okay. We're so close to the ground. I wanna look though. We're staying at this site. I don't know how that makes any sense. Oh, I think we hit the ground. Oh, I don't know. Did we hit the ground? I'm gonna get on the top of the plane and see if we hit the ground. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna go on this side and see. Okay. Oh my god, we hit the ground. We hit the ground. We hit the ground. We actually hit the ground. I'm going faster than the plane. I don't want. Where's the. What? The top actually going down too? I don't know. Well, make sure to like and subscribe because this is awesome. Oh my god, I think it almost. Never mind. That's gonna be it for this video. Bye.